like he takes one lick, and it takes 8 hours to swallow.
Yeah, that's strange.
Why are you leaning over the bowl like this? It's very weird.
This cat's like just continually like, but he lifts his head to drink it.
He looks like he's asleep. Or he's high. Oh!
He's a zombie cat.
I think he is. Are you asleep when you're drinking? You're really leaning over this bowl. There's a whole nother half to this bowl, cat. I don't understand. You're doing your weird stuff. What you doing? What are you doing? Are you asleep? No? You done? Oh.
Spaz.
Are you all done?